So it's my great pleasure to speak at Bangladesh Innovation Summit organized by Bangladesh Innovation Forum. We are living in an unprecedented time. The situation has brought us one of the biggest crises we have ever faced in terms of health safety, employment, and overall economy. To win this battle, our leaders, both from public and private sectors, need to think differently, go beyond traditional means, and bring about digital transformation in our organizations, both public and private, for surviving this pandemic and, of course, then thriving afterwards. To emphasize and reflect on the importance of it more, today we have chosen our topic, digital transformation, road to prosperity post COVID-19. So you can see this slide. Everyone used to say digital transformation is years away. And I don't see our company having to change anytime soon. And suddenly, this COVID-19 came and has transformed everything. So there was a survey among Fortune 500 CEOs. So 75% have said that their digital transformation will accelerate because of COVID-19. So what is digital transformation? Digital transformation is about applying technologies to radically change traditional processes, products and services into data-driven, highly connected solutions that can be monetized through extreme efficiency, gains, and entirely new business models. A business cannot wait for the transformation it knows it needs. The COVID-19 pandemic has shown us the hard truth. We are already seeing a growing number of organizations and spending more on technologies, from business intelligence and demand forecast to marketing, customer support, logistics, and back office transformation. However, there's a caveat to optimize the ROI in IT spending by the companies. Many IT departments are still working reactively. They're executing ad hoc projects and short-term objectives rather than proactively steering the strategic use of technologies within the company. Now that enterprises are dealing with more IT initiatives than ever, such a reactive approach is the best ineffective and at worst detrimental to growth. Instead, there should be a comprehensive digital transformation strategy to guide the different projects, providing a holistic long-term vision to organizations and technology needs. We can see our next slide, that what should be the transformation themes for the next era. You can see we really need to understand our customers. We have to automate our supply chain. We have to bring efficiency to our operations, modern workplaces where we have to integrate our human resources. We have to accelerate our digital investments. And of course, the business models has to evolve. We have seen that as soon as the lockdown started around the globe, the companies that were already utilizing digital means of doing business and adopted some solutions like remote work tools quickly stayed productive and kept the economy moving. While the companies without technological adoption struggled the most. We are very lucky to be living in an Industry 4.0 era with the right blend of tools, process, and integration of Internet of Things, machine learning, AI, and other emerging technologies. Remote work has proven to be effective, and many organizations will permanently embrace this new normal going forward. Short-sighted executives will still look for ways to cut down IT costs, believing that will help them survive. However, in the traditional way of thinking and our traditional way of running businesses has already failed us. Even the giant mammoths could not survive the ice age with all their might, but those evolved did. The evolution for our enterprises in the upcoming future translates to digital transformation, and the visionary, long-sighted leaders like the CEOs have already understood the importance of allocating their limited resources to invest in IT solutions and automation. The very first step to achieve the evolution is to prepare a digital transformation roadmap for your organizations. So these are the things you need to have on your digital transformation roadmaps. So what is it? A digital transformation roadmap is a long-term, detailed set of documents that encompass the company's vision, strategic planning for technological transformation. It will provide a unifying approach to implement tools and technologies across the company, which will increase the efficiency, reduce duplication of work, improve collaboration, minimize errors, and in turn will minimize costs of overall operation. However, it will ensure that the business remains operational during pandemics and prolonged future lockdowns. As well-designed digital transformation strategy should have some essential elements such as alignment with business objectives, mission, vision. You have to define your IT requirements and scope, auditing current capabilities and infrastructure, defining overall architecture, mapping business processes within our IT architecture, defining objectives and key results, validating budget, and the identification of the right resources. Our company eGeneration, with our world-class productivity solutions and deep expertise in emerging technologies, is proud in helping many leading global and local organizations, government and private organizations to formulate their digital transformation strategies to thrive in the next era. So to truly become successful in this digital first world, we really need in our digital transformation strategy a vision. We need engagement strategies, how we engage all our employees. There should be good governance strategy, which establishing strong digital governments to steer the course. And of course, technological leadership is key. So we have two choices. There is a green sign taking us to digital transformation. And of course, we can stick to the red sign of traditional way. When the Industry 4.0 revolution started, it gave us an opportunity to embrace technologies in our workflows. Some of us took the opportunity. Many of us waited. This pandemic has come with a new reality that won't allow us to wait any longer. Companies that will embrace the new normal with digital transformation will sprint down the road to prosperity post-COVID-19 and beyond. But the companies that won't integrate technology in their business functions, companies that still are hostile to technology, are going to have a really hard time in doing business in the near future, because the technological transformation across the industries is going to be mind-boggling. Now is the time to think bravely, plan boldly, and act wisely. Stay safe, stay blessed. Thank you very much.